All right, mathematicians, we're on lesson 27 today, and we are using the story path again. Love it. Love the story path. But today we're using the story path in a couple different. Let's start by reading the directions. Rewrite the subtraction number sentence here as an addition number sentence. Place a box around the unknown. So they already placed a box around the unknown in the subtraction sentence. It's the part we're trying to solve, but we're going to put a box around the unknown in the addition sentence. Use the number path if you want. So do you have to use the number path? No, it says to use it if you want. So the first one says 4 minus 3 equals blank. I'm going to use the number path. I'm going to write my addition sentence first though. So 4 minus 3 equals blank is the same as 3 plus what equals 4. That is not a star 4. Okay. All right, so 3 plus what equals 4? So I'm going to start with my 3, and I'm going to see how many jumps it takes me to get to 4. Boom, 1 jump. So 3 plus 1. The 1 is what I had to solve, right? So that's what I'm going to put a box around. And since 3 plus 1 equals 4, then 4 minus 3 must also equal 1. Let's see. Let's do the second one together too. 6 minus 2 equals blank. First, I'm going to think about it as a subtraction or as an addition sentence. I start with the smaller number, 2. 2 plus blank, my unknown, equals 6. Okay, so let me start with my 2 here on the number path and see how many jumps it takes me to get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So since 2 plus 4 equals 6, 6 minus 2 must equal 4. So that's how you can use the number path to do your other problems. Here it doesn't say blank plus blank equals blank because it expects you to know that. It's already given you kind of a cheat sheet here, shown you. So here you're still going to write addition sentences. You're just going to put your own plus and your own equal sign, your own plus and your own equal sign, and then you'll put the numbers in there. Down here, it says use the number path to count on. So is it an option this time? No, it says you have to use the number path to count on. Now you can use the number path in a couple different ways here. Let me show you. So I made my own number path at the bottom to kind of help me out. So 8 minus 4. Now I could turn this into an addition sentence. 4 plus blank equals 8, and then solve by counting on. But I can also use a number path to go backwards. So when I'm adding, like if I change this to 4 plus blank, so right here it has it for you, right? 4 plus blank equals 8. So then I would start at 4 and I would jump to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'd see that it's 4. And then I can put 4 here. But I could also start at 8 and go backwards. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I go back 4, I land on 4. So I could have started at 4 and gone 1, 2, 3, 4, and I land on 8. Or if I want to go backwards, I would start at the bigger number, 8, and go backwards this many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and what do you know? I land on 4. So let me try it for this one. 9 minus 5. So instead of going forwards using the addition, I'm going to go backwards using the subtraction. So I'm going to start with 9, and I'm going to go back 5 times. 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puts me at 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. For the addition sentence, I could go forward. So I could start with 5 and see how many jumps it takes me to get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many jumps did it take me? 4. So you see I get the same answer like before, but using that number path, you can go backwards or you can go forwards. Page, you don't have a choice. You have to try by hopping back. So you'll start with 10. Subtract 1, go back 1 instead of forward, and see what you land on. Do the same thing for number 9. And then for these problems, on number 10, your last problem, it says pick the best way to solve the problem. Are you going to count on by using the number path to go this way? Or are you going to count back by using the number path to go this way? Pick what would be the easiest way and check the box. So let me show you what I mean. So for 10 minus 9, I could choose to count on by starting at 9, the smaller one, and seeing how many I need to add on to get to 10. This is kind of like doing the addition sentence. 9 plus what will get me to 10? So I would start at 9 and go, whoop, oh, it only took me one jump to get to 10. So that was pretty quick. If I count back, I'm starting at 10, the bigger one, and I have to go back 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. I got my answer as 1, but that took a long time. It was much easier to count on from 9 to 10 than to go backwards. So I'm going to check count on. That was easiest. For B, it says 9 minus 1. Now, if I was counting on, that's 1 plus what equals 9. So I would start at 1 and see how many jumps it takes me to get to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It took me 8 jumps to get to 9. That kind of took a long time, that time, to count on, to go forward. Let me see what it takes to go back. So to count backwards, I start with my bigger number, 9, and it says I go minus 1. I just make one jump. 9 minus 1 is 8. So that time, counting back was actually the easier way to go, was the shorter way to go. So as you solve the rest of these problems, think about what would be easier, to count on to go forwards or to count back. Happy mathing, mathematicians! Don't forget, we're on lesson 27. And after you've completed your problem set, take a picture to show me what you did.